Today we are taking a look at places for rent in Edmonton, Alberta, between the price range of $2,000 to $3,000. I think this is going to be really exciting, and actually let's just dive right in. Our first location was just posted 17 hours ago, and it is $2,100 a month, 3-bed, 2-bath. Looks like a really nice residential spot. Let's take a quick look. So this looks like the outside, and here we have the inside when we enter. Whoa, that's really nice. All right, great pendant lights as well. All right, so here's a different angle. Very nice kitchen, countertops, island as well with a sink in there. All right, nice fireplace, see that. Ooh, great spot here. Nice, you have an upstairs area too. Great. It doesn't look like they show it though. But 3-bed, 2-bath, not too bad, really nice. Let's see the location and the walkability. So definitely gonna need a car. We got a 13 out of 100 and 32 out of 100 for the bike score. Let's take a look at this one, which was only posted 1 day ago. It is $21.95 a month. It is 3-bed and 2.5 bath and 1,650 square feet. All right, so here is the outside area looking directly at the house. Got another angle, and here's the interior. Ooh, right. Very nice space here. Okay. Wow, great island. Double sinks. Nice backsplash, and here would be your backyard. Looks like you have a little shed there too, which is really nice. Wow, great stuff here. Another backyard picture, and then we have one of the rooms. Great. I don't know if this was an ensuite bathroom, possibly. Great. Now we have some stairs going up. Another bathroom, entrance or out exit. All right, same picture there, showing us the upstairs. Hopefully we get the upstairs this time. All right, living, very nice. All right, so here's your washroom. Looks like another possibly laundry here, and then you also have another closet area. All right, so second bedroom, very nice. Very nice. Ooh, I wonder if this is upstairs. Nice. Very nicely done. Back downstairs again. Bathroom. Ooh, and here is the third bedroom. All right, very nice. And here is another washroom as well, or bathroom. All right, and here is one of the bedrooms with a nice upstairs view. Great. And here's the backyard. Very nice. Great patio and great woodwork. And here, once again, we have the front area. Very nicely done. Let's check out the location for this space. Ooh! So our walk score has an 8 out of 100 and a 35 out of 100 for the bike score. So we're definitely going to need some form of transportation. For example, a car, maybe a bike. Let's take a look at another one, which is $2,100 a month, 4-bed, 3.5 bath, and it's over 1,770 square feet. All right, so this is like the outside area, very nice. Have a basketball hoop in there. All right. Ooh, kind of darker in here, but we can still see. All right, great kitchen and living space. Great. Wow, nice L couch. By looking at this photo once again, don't know how large the room is, but by using a really cool double-sided laser measuring tape, you can really find the size of the room really easy. I saw this online. I thought, wow, this is really cool. I'm just going to show this to my audience here, and they might find it very interesting as well, especially if you're moving or planning to move in the near future. I think it's really cool. All right, we got some space for the dining table, and all right, you have the main floor. This is the bathroom. Another angle. Great, and we have a basement area too. One of the 4 bedrooms. Ooh, great closet. Very nice. Very nice cabinetry, and another closet area. Oh, so this is like the basement, possibly the man cave. All right, got some windows there too, so that's always nice. All right, another bedroom, and this is the outside backyard. Looks like a very nicely done house, and another picture here. Very, very nice. All right, so not too bad. Let's check out the location. Might also be in another residential area. Oh, so this is much better. So the walk score is a 42 and the bike score is a 35. So this is actually really, really nice. All right, so that's only a few of the many places that we have here on this list. As you can see, there are a ton of places within the Edmonton, Alberta area within this price range. So comment below if you want to see another location. Like this looks really nice. These look amazing. And we can totally do another video for all of you all. So comment below and let us know, and we will see you in the next video.